Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Show Me the Stuff Inside. Today we will see the Steelbook edition of the movies Pacific Rim first and the second movie, The Uprising, that includes the 3D and 2D edition. So let's take a closer look. And here we can see the first Pacific Rim movie in 3D. This is a Future Pak, it's not a Steelbook. But first, let's say something about the story. When monstrous creatures known as kaiju started rising from the sea, a war began that would take millions of lives and consume humanity's resources for years on end. To combat the giant kaiju, a special type of a weapon was devised, massive robots called Jaggers, if I pronounce it right, which are controlled simultaneously by two pilots whose minds are locked in a neutral bridge. But even the Joggers are proving nearly defenseless in the face of a relentless kaiju. On the verge of defeat, the forces defending mankind have no choice but to turn to two unlikely heroes, a washed-up former pilot and an untested trainee, who are teamed to drive a legendary but seemingly desolate Jagger from the past. Together they stand as mankind's last hope against the mounting apocalypse. So we have a sci-fi movie from director Guillermo del Toro. So front cover we have the Jagger, the giant robots, two pilots. They are driving together. The front cover is very beautiful. Also the side we have the title, and back we have a bigger picture from the Joggers, the robots. It's very nice. So also inside we have the movie in 3D. We have the 3D edition. We have this is the 2D, sorry. And also we have special features. That's very nice. So inside we have our Jagger, the giant robots, and we have a monster kaiju. This is a very nice picture, but they could add a monster from the back cover. But it's very nice. I think, not only I think, but these monsters, giant, and of course the big robots are something like Japanese because I think the story is from Japan. It's like Godzilla. And this is the first movie. I like also that we have the 3D here. Now next let's go to see The Uprising. Come on. Yeah, so let's open this. The story, it's basically something the same. Giant robots and more giant enemies. But also here we have something different. Just wait. Okay, we have a novel or a comic. This, I don't need it. And this movie, it's a Steelbook, here. We don't have the title of the movie in the front, but we have one robot with one main hero, and back we have the other hero, the same robot, because they are driving together. And at the side we have Pacific Rim Uprising, and inside we have the movie in 3D edition and the 2D edition. And inside we have a nice picture with our robot fighting. Oh, we have also two more robots. Wow, that's very nice. It's very good. I like the steelbooks, and I like to have steelbooks movies I want. Also, I like the black and the orange colors. It's very nice. So let's see this Pacific Rim. I am Pentecost. Oh yeah, this is a novel comic. I'm not a big fan, but so I think we have a story about this guy. Also, I think his father was a pilot of this robot. You know, Japanese thing. Always robot and giant enemies. This is a preview. Pacific Rim, Aftermath, graphic novel prequel. That's interesting. That's very good. So also we have now the first and second movie. That's very good. And that's what inside in Pacific Rim first and second movie. We have the first movie in a Future Pak that includes the movie in a 3D, 2D edition and another Blu-ray with special features. And then we have the second movie in a Steelbook that includes the 3D, 2D edition and also a graphic novel. I know it's a weird movie, not everyone will gonna like it, but it's sci-fi and it's good for me with action and monsters and giant robots. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you at my next video.